Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the low volume problem on your POCO M8 Pro. So first, we want to adjust the media and the call volume, and the way we adjust call volume is only while being in an active call. So if you are here and you call up somebody, I cannot do that because I do not have a SIM card. You can just spam the volume up. As you guys can see here, we have the call volume, and after that what we want to do is we want to adjust our media. So we can adjust our media right here. As you guys can see, we are at 400% right now because we have a volume boost, and we can also do that in the settings after we go into sound and vibration. Here in the adjust volume section, we can change it. My volume is 400% right now. And next, what we want to do is disable do not disturb mode. So make sure to go to do not disturb and make sure that this switch right up here is gray. And after that, what you guys want to do is go over and clean your speaker grills. So we have them right here, and as you guys can see, it's worth cleaning them, because if they are stuck with somebody, like something stuck inside of them, or they're just dirty, then what can happen is basically everything. It can block the connection, and of course it can even cause the low volume issues. So we do not want that. Now the next, what we want to do is we want to restart our phone. So the way we do that, we hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now we want to swipe down to reboot until our screen goes black and the icon becomes green. We can let go with our finger, and now the phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. Now after the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is go over and update your software. So let me quickly unlock my phone. Let's go over to the settings, and here go over to the about phone section. Here we want to go over and click on HyperOS, and it should check our updates automatically. I have no updates available, so that means I'm running the latest version of my HyperOS. But if you do have any updates, then you will see a button to download and install it right here where the Xiaomi community button is. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.